Okay, for the bookmark, um, we need to understand what is the exact use of bookmark first. So, in the interviews, if anybody asks you any question about bookmark, a simple sentence answer should be there. Bookmark is nothing but a screenshot. Okay, so just try to understand what is the exact meaning of screenshot. Whenever we are using mobile, also we are taking some screenshots and keeping with us as a record, right? Same thing will be happen here. We are taking some screenshot and using that one. So using that one means how to use it, why it is required. For example, on this particular page, 10 visualizations are there and there is no space is left. At that time, you need, if you need one more visualization here. So what is the way for you at that time? मतलब यहाँ पे स्पेस ही नहीं बचा है और आपको एक विजुलाइजेशन और ऐड करना है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? तो उस टाइम पे आप एक के ऊपर एक विजुलाइजेशन रख सकते हो और उनको एक बटन दे सकते हो कि अगर वो बटन को जब भी क्लिक करें तो फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट नंबर का विजुलाइजेशन है, उसके ऊपर सेकंड नंबर का विजुलाइजेशन रखा हुआ है, तो उनको अगर सेकंड नंबर का देखना हो तो वो बटन क्लिक करेंगे सेकंड वाली, तो उनको सेकंड वाला विजुलाइजेशन दिखेगा। फर्स्ट वाला विजुलाइजेशन अगर क्लिक करते हैं तो उनको फर्स्ट वाला दिखेगा। सो इस तरीके से वो काम करता है, लेकिन आपकी स्पेस कितनी जाएगी? सिर्फ एक विजुलाइजेशन की। तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर चीज़ हम अचीव कर सकें, जिसको कहते हैं हम बुकमार्क। तो हम कुछ नहीं करते हैं, पहले विजुलाइजेशन के ऊपर में दूसरे विजुलाइजेशन को हम रखते हैं जस्ट एज अ स्क्रीनशॉट, और दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बुकमार्क। तो उसकी सेटिंग कैसी होती है वो हम देखेंगे। ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, नॉर्मली रिपोर्टिंग के टाइम पे काफ़ी यूज़ में आता है, ठीक है। और स्पेशली जो जिस कंपनी में विजुलाइजेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस होता है, अभी देखो कुछ कंपनीज ऐसी होती है जो सिर्फ डेटा के साथ डील करती है और उनके लिए सिर्फ ये दो टेबल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दिस वन एंड दिस वन, दैट्स इट। दे आर प्लेइंग ओनली विद दिस टू टेबल्स। ऐसी भी कंपनीज है एंड कुछ कंपनीज ऐसी है दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द विजुलाइजेशंस एंड लेस interested in these tables. So it depends upon which kind of client you are getting, so what kind of work you are going to do in that particular case. So जहाँ पे visualizations पे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब भर दिया जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा विजुलाइजेशंस यूज़ किए जाते हैं जिस कंपनीज में, वहाँ पे बुकमार्क का यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, ठीक है। Let's start with the bookmark. This is a little background about that. I will do some, take one simple example first. I will create one visualization and keeping some values in that, sales territory, and from here I will take profit. Okay. Now I just want to create one more visualization, so I will take a copy of it, place it here. I'm going to convert it. Even though I just want to change the quantity also, so you can see quantity by sales territory and profit by sales territory. Okay, now how to achieve this? We can achieve this by using some buttons. So for that we need to insert some buttons here. So button option will be present in insert. You have this much amount of button options are present, so you can go for blank because we want to write something in that. First I will set this button and just going to format it once, because once it is formatted we can use it multiple times. So Now the outline you can increase, so the weight of this outline increases. You can make it little round. Then go for button text, activate it. Right here, profit versus ST, that is sales territory. Okay. Now increase the uh, text size, that to make it visible. First, change the color. And it depends. Font color in some companies Arial is pick, and some companies Calibri. So normally the data companies pick Arial. So I will go for Calibri first here. Anything else required? I think more we can do. Okay, we can keep it like this, no problem. You can give some background color and all. It is your choice. I will just make a copy of this. Once you formatted, then just make a copy. So it will reduce your time to again format the same. Just change the name. In place of profit, make it quantity. So now these two things are formatted. What I want, when I click profit, at that time this chart should be visible. When I click quantity, this chart should be visible. This I want, right? So how we can do it? For this particular purpose, we need bookmark. So how to activate bookmark? The step for that, you have to go in view, here bookmark and selection pane. These two things you have to activate. Now there are so many console are open. You can hide this filter because it is not required now. So just click on this. It will not be present here. Now we want to create bookmark for this. How to create it? Select this button. It is highlighted here. We want to rename it. So how to rename? See, right click option is not applicable. Just you have to double click it and just rename as profit button. Okay. Then same condition for quantity button. So on the selection pane, just see here quantity button, profit button, quantity by sales territory. Quantity by sales territory means this one, and profit by sales territory means this one. So everything is now clear to us. Which button stands for which? Okay, this is the option for hiding. So whenever we are making a screenshot, we have to use the hide button. So when I click profit, so what I expect, this two should not be there, right? So how I can make it? This is the profit button and this is profit by sales territory. I will keep them as visible and these two as hide. So quantity I am going to hide. At the same time quantity by sales territory I will hide. Once it is hidden, just after that make a bookmark. Just by making add. You can rename it. You can rename this one as profit versus ST. This is done. Then what you have to do, just take out all. Again, when you select quantity, these two should get hide and this should be visible. So at that time what you have to do, hide profit button as well as profit by sales territory and add a bookmark that will be as quantity versus sales territory. Right? Now these bookmarks are ready with us. Selection is ready with us. You can see when you click on this, this is your first screenshot. When you click on this, this will be your second screenshot. But what exactly we have to do, we have to give some action on this. Whenever you are clicking the button, see, I am clicking the button, there is no other thing is happening, so I have to do that thing. How we can do it? One more I will button I will try to add, that is called as reset button. I will go for that. What is the use of that? We can reset all the screenshots by using this button. So this is that button. You can rename it. After renaming it, take out all the hiding things. All should be get visible whenever we are clicking the reset button. So add, give name as reset. So this is the simplest part of bookmark, but the most important thing in the bookmark is, for these buttons we want to give action. So what kind of action? Whenever I'm clicking this button, this two should get hide and this should be visible only, right? So how we can achieve that? Just click on this button. So for this button we have to provide some action. Just click, after clicking this one, this format button will get activated. Go to action, then open the drop down panel. In the type, just make bookmark. So what action you want for this button? Which screenshot you want out of this one? Right, so select that one. So this selection is done. When you are selecting quantity, for that again format button get activated. Go to bookmark and then here again for quantity versus sales territory, which screenshot is required? This one. Yes, so this is done. Now go for the third button, that is reset. Again go here, apply a bookmark. In the bookmark you have to select reset. So now the action is applied. Want to check that? Press Ctrl and click on profit. Right? Reset this. Then on quantity, you can see the quantity. Again you can reset it. You can see both of them. Did you follow the steps? What exactly we are doing? Yeah. So I will stop here. Just try to make up to here. then we will see the later things. Okay.